How do you see boys that don't hustle? Thank you. I see them as foolish people. They don't have sense. That kind of people are the people that they will make global airbag for those kind of people. They will eat in between 30 seconds. That kind of people are foolish people.
Jesus!
People like MC Desmo. That is the kind of people that we cannot see in Nigeria.
What?
Them or is gluten.
Funke!
Gluten are the people that will eat. And they will not get certificate.
I beg get out.
Sadrino, how do you see boys that are also? Thank you. They are not serious.
What?
In fact, they are so solo quiet, they are so long. That they can be on Facebook, morning to night. Guest picture to like all these kind of people. We call them ashawo.
Funke!
They are nothing but a fool.
Can you imagine?
Okay, boy, how do you see boys that are also? Thank you. How can a boy be lodging in a hotel for 75,000 naira for one night?
Yeah.
Sleep with a girl. Meanwhile, in the family, they stay for one room.
What?
The one part of it that they go in their friend's car just to take picture and do Snapchat. Meanwhile, they don't even get keke. That's
Funke!
foolishness. Stupidity at the highest order. They don't have sense. They are foolish. I don't know how they ever wear their bossers. Some of them, they don't wear their bossers. 1 week, they'll be wearing the same bossers. Thank you.
He shock you.
Esther, how do you see boys that are also?
Hey, that question is a very nice question. Boys would say hustling is a waste of time, whereas they're just wasting their time there. Very soon they will become 60, they won't have anything to show for it.
Funke!
I can see some boys, and I can see some boys' future. They'll be waiting for their father's inheritance. What sort of thing is that?
What?
I like my honorable brother Electa. I know he's there hustling for his tomorrow, and I want to use this opportunity to wish him a good, happy birthday. Long life, brother. I know you're doing well. Also good. Thank you.
Hey!
To round it up, boys that are also, they are not serious.
What?
How can a boy be sitting at home, money to net? You know, go also. You find your papa where you want carry. They say my boss is there, my heritage for
Jesus!
party. They're not serious. Look at boys that ask me. They are the future brothers of tomorrow.
Funke!
That's why I want to wish my brother Elijah a happy birthday. They are doing well, asking for your tomorrow. Go on and say thank you. What do you have to say to brother Elijah?
Happy birthday!